Hello everybody, welcome to a new vlog. We are going to another model United Nation this morning here in Pune. So I'll see you outside. So the plan so far is we'll be moving into a bus from here and then we'll be taking a cab to the main location. So we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'm moving to the bus station and finally I have space to shout and talk. Like I can talk loudly here. And yeah, I'm merely taking the shot because the sky is looking amazing. That's all. It adds glamour to the vlog. So I noticed I had a little dip in my speaking skills. I don't know if I should call them skills, but then fine. So I noticed I had a little dip in them even right now when I'm shooting the vlog. It's either because I have been I'm shooting it after a long time, or it's just some small phobia or some anxiety. That's all. So let's ignore all that. Hi bro. I'm making a vlog.
I got vlog.
School going students to learn leadership qualities, to learn so much from such type of events. The lucky ones who happen to attend these sessions actually get to learn how to speak, how to write, how to perform, how to raise issues, how to discuss.
For Diplomat Model United Nations. As you all know, Diplomat Model United Nations is in direct collaboration with United Nations Information Center. So at the end of your conference, all your resolutions will be sent to the United Nations, and the best resolution which gets selected can also get an opportunity to present that resolution at the United Nations headquarters. Right? So that's a great opportunity for you all. Make sure your resolutions are well made. The preambulatory and operative clauses are good enough, so we can submit it, and we will also redo a few if not.
Policies must offset costs via domestic support or tax relief to sustain political support.
So post the day one conference, we had like a small review session from the principal of the venue, and after a small celebration with her, we continued the day. I met one of my very good friend Mr. Manan, and we just chilled out a bit. कि उसके जो clips है ना, वो है like even if I combine them ना, तो YouTube video नहीं बनेगा, reel बनेगी. I'll have to add photos and stuff. और कल का दिन है तो कल I'll try to shoot more. And the chair is quite open. तो मैं ना where I keep my laptop, right? I'll keep this phone like that. So when I'm delegating, I'll record myself.
Yeah, you can do a time lapse or something. Right? It will be cool.
है ना? Yeah. थोड़ा टाइम बढ़ जाएगा YouTube पे.
हाँ.
I'll be stuck here for quite a while now, so I'll see you on the next day. Hello everybody, welcome back to the second day of the Model United Nations. And today, as you can see, I am in my Western formals. Today we will be focusing on the solutions for the agenda. And yeah, it's late today. We started at 8 yesterday, so I left at 5 from here. Today we are starting at 9, so I'll be leaving an hour late. So yeah, that's all. I'll be moving for catching my bus and I'll see you there.
All the pass. Only one fail. One pass. Does the resolution pass?
And that brings us to the end of day 2, which basically sums up everything. So, at the end of the committee, we formed 3 blocks, out of which, like being the delegate of USA, I was in the block with the Western alliances and the Scandinavian alliances. We got our DR passed with simple majority, and yeah, in the end, I came home with a certificate and a verbal mention. And yes, that concludes everything. As the delegate of USA, I was happy with the month so far. The vlog ends here. I know the length of the vlog is shorter this time, but if you came across till here, then maybe consider liking. That's all. Thank you so much.
इनको फर्क यारों की ही पहचान किसकी किसकी कौन किसकी